Well, it was a privilege for our family to be there and to be honored in common with Governor Wolf and Senator Baker. Tiffany was there, of course, and family, to stand and see a sign dedicated to Bryon at Wounded Grove is very heartwarming for us as his family. As the passage of time goes, people will drive by and say, "Who was Bryon Dickson?" And parents will have to say, "That's a man who gave his life, dedicated as a state trooper. This is where he practiced and served as a state trooper, and this is where he died." And so we want the public to know that it's an honor for us to stand there. And it just was, for me as a mother, he was only killed a mile or so from that sign. It means everything. There's such an emotional part of our lives attached to that. And we're just so grateful for those who wanted to honor him. Since Bryon's death, our life has gone on. We have work to attend to. We have other grandchildren to attend to. We have Bryon and Adam and Tiffany. We just take each day as it comes. Tears do come. It's a moment usually, for me as his mother, it usually is when I think of him as a child, because that's when I was closest to him. As a man, he became a husband and a father, and he had a life there. And so Tiffany views that, and she mourns that in a different way than what I do as a mother, and his dad as a father, his sister as his brother as his brother. We all take it and we hold each other close, loving each other. In a moment of loss, nothing can hold the place of your heart where it's broken, not another person. It takes you to understand the value of who Bryon was. Hold it dear to you. Have the moments when you can't have anyone close to you. And then also have the time when your friends come and say, "We want to embrace you," and you allow them to do that. You wave in and wave out of that place of grief. As time passes, you begin to understand that the value of his life is so great. You don't miss one moment of memory that you have. You search for it, you find it, you love it, you embrace it, and you shed some tears. And then you look and you go, "Oh, the living, he would want me to take care of the living. He would want me to remind them he loves them, and he would be here for them in every way." What can we do that Bryon might want and what he might enjoy for us to do in his stead? And one day, I will not go to him, he will not come to me, but I will go to him, and all will be well. And each one of us will go there, and we will be embracing him as he will embrace us. I'm here today to actually ask people to vote for Ray Tonkin as district attorney. He is qualified, and he has presented himself with integrity, and I just appreciate him. He stands for justice where Bryon is concerned. That's my son, whose death means everything to me. I want his life to mean something. This is Bryon. He's 8 years old at this time. This is a picture of the smile that he had when he was 8. And you can tell that the photos you have of him when he became a man, the smile is the same. And he is just, I want justice for the man. But as his mother, I want justice for my son. How wonderful is that? I just love him.